Hello guys, so I had to pull out the instruction manual and I finally got the drone to fly correctly. So here we go. I'll demonstrate to you guys. Start with unlocking the props. So I pull in left and right side and inside like that, and that gets the prop spinning. And then now I can take off by pushing there, and there you go, the drone is flying finally. So what I found out was that I had to do the initial binding. So I bound the controller with the drone, and then secondly you have to do the GPS calibration, which means you turn the drone around horizontally until you have a solid light. You point it vertically and turn it around clockwise until you have a solid light. And then finally I had to do the internal gyroscope calibration, and to do that I had to press the control sticks in a certain manner and hold it for 10 seconds, and after that the GPS, the internal gyroscope, was calibrated, and then I attempted to take off, and here we are flying. So what you have to remember is that you have to do the GPS calibration every single time you fly, otherwise no bueno. So for today I won't try to do a video comparison. I will just mostly try to get my a feel for how the drone flies, and the comparison will be for later on. So yeah, it's actually quite stable. I'm impressed. All right guys, so now we are looking at the handbook. I had to pull it out to see what exactly was going wrong with the drone, and on page 9 is the guide that you have to follow before you start using the drone. So now I follow this procedure each and every time I try to fly the drone, and I have had success. So there's 2 calibrations that you have to do. First of all, you have to do a calibration of the drone with the GPS, and then secondly you have to calibrate the drone's internal gyroscope. So the first way you do it is you turn on the drone, then you turn on your controller like that, and then secondly you bind the controller with the drone by pushing the stick up and then down. And as you guys see, when you have everything synchronized, you will hear the remote make a beeping sound. And of course, each time you turn the drone, it is in GPS mode. You don't want to exit the GPS mode. For most people, I think you would want to have the GPS mode on. It helps a lot with stability. So the next thing you have to do is you have to turn the drone like that, horizontally turn it clockwise, and then vertically turn it clockwise until you get a solid light each time for the tail and also for the front of the drone. After you do that calibration, then you can calibrate the internal gyroscope, and you do that by pushing both sticks to the bottom and to the left like that, and you hold it in place for like maybe 10 seconds initially, but afterwards you would hold it for about maybe 4 or 5 seconds, and the lights will flash and then they go solid, and then you know you are ready to you have the internal gyroscope calibrated. And finally, to take off, you have to unlock the drone and you press both sticks downwards and in towards the center, like that last picture drawing at the bottom, and that will get the propeller spinning, and from then onwards you can go ahead and fly your drone. So those are very important instructions that I missed on page 9 and 10 of your Skytracker GPS video drone handbook. Thanks.